Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase your font in Notepad. It's very simple. Just here is File, Edit, Format, View. Okay, click on Format, then go to the drop down font, and just what you can do, you can select here. If you want to make it smaller, then take the smaller font. If you want to make it bigger, choose from here, from the size. You can make it 20 or 22 or 16. 14 and 16 are standard, but I'll suggest 20. It will be a little bigger. Okay. If you want to make it more bigger, you can choose maybe 36. All right. So very simple and easy. Thank you very much for watching the video.